lights are on in the office tonight, but nobody's talking about the fight. Coffee's cold, screens still glow, doing work we learned years ago. They say relax, you're doing fine, but I hear the clock behind the line. Not a crash, not a fall from grace, just less room in the same damn space. No pink slip tape to my door, just silence where there used to be more. Feels like the road's still straight somehow, but the band is coming up right now. This ain't an HR conversation, a memo, a course, or a 5-year plan. It's individual change agency in the age of the digital hand. Tenant conversation is waiting down the road with no map, no warning sign. If I don't put my hands on the wheel, this ride's gonna leave me behind. Hey, I don't scream, it don't shout, it just figures your rhythm out. Takes the prep, takes the load, leaves you wondering what's your own. They say it's here to help you through, but help feels different when the crew gets smaller, faster, thinner skin. Same badge, but a different win. Experience used to carry weight, now it's a story told too late. If I don't learn to move again, I'll be yesterday dressed as then. This ain't an HR conversation, a checkbox dream or a safety net. It's individual change agency, a bet on yourself you haven't placed yet. That's what a safety wait for me, while I argue what's fair or true. If I don't steer my own damn road, the market's gonna do it for you. They talk about safety, yeah, I get that part, but safety don't mean a frozen heart. It means I can say I don't know without losing everything I own. Means I can learn under the streetlight glow, try, fail, and still show up tomorrow. 'Cause pride don't pay when the ground shifts fast. You either learn forward or you live in the past. One conversation ain't a thunderclap, it's a quiet rewrite of the map. One task gone, one door half closed, one more thing you thought you owned. If I wait till the smoke is clear, there won't be much left to steer. So I'm trading comfort for ceases already here. In the job I don't do the same. If I don't take the wheel myself, I got nobody else to blame.